Hi guys, this is Abigail from Origami for Cause, and today we'll be making the origami cup. You'll need one piece of origami paper. And this is how it's going to look like. A beautiful origami cup. Anyways, let's get started. First, take this bottom corner and fold it right to the top. Next, fold one side down so it reaches the edge. Next, you unfold and fold this corner to the end of that line where you folded. Then you take this corner and fold it all the way to that corner, right there, over at the edge. Next, fold one layer down, and then you turn it over. Fold this part down like that, like you did on the other side. Then you turn over, and you place your finger to open the cup. And there you have it, the origami cup. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye.